How to factory reset Realme Narzo 50. At first, press the power button for few seconds and switch off the phone. After that, hold power button and volume down button continuously. When you see Realme logo on screen, leave the power button and continue holding volume down button. When you see the recovery mode, leave the volume button. After that, navigate with volume button and select language to English. Now again navigate with volume button and select wipe data with power button. Now again navigate and select format data. Now enter the verification code displayed on screen. On the pop-up screen, click on Format. Wait for few moments till your data gets wiped. Once you see wiped data successfully, click on OK to restart the phone. That's it, your phone should be as good as new. Hope this method works for you. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.